get it right now. One last time.
Oh God.
You said don't know your boy.
Welcome back to my channel. I am Don B. So the video that you're gonna see right now, it's me remaking YouTubers, Jamaican YouTubers intros. So this was like the second video. The first video that I made was the behind the scene that you will see right after this video next week Monday. So just enjoy what I did with my YouTubers, and as I said in the behind the scenes, these are my subscription. These are persons who I subscribe to and who I support 100%. So watch out the video, like, comment, share, and even share with your friends what I did. I tried. And stay tuned for behind the scenes. Bye. Well, later.
Welcome, peeps. I don't know your boy JNL, and welcome to our next episode of the question. Welcome, peeps. I don't know your boy JNL, and welcome to our next episode of the questions. And this is episode 10, peeps. And watch now, right now we're there in a Maypen town, as you can see. Yeah, for all who know Maypen, as you can see. Yeah. So watch now, peeps. Without further ado, we are kick it off right now. Which part we there? Maypen. We're there, Maypen. So watch now, peeps. We're gone.
I said, if you don't know which YouTuber that I'm going to do now, I'm going to comment down below before me even start. Mind you, as I'm saying in the first part of the video, me go close to the characters. So I'm about to kill me in the comment section right about now. This is not quite Perry dressing, but it is Katy Perry dressing.
I know Katy Perry.
Big up Katy Perry. Alright.
Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. Okay, so before we get into this week's video, of course, I see the support that you guys are giving to the upcoming YouTubers, and I love to see it, 100%. And for everybody who want message me and DM down my phone and email me, I see you, I hear you, and hopefully one of these days I will get to you, okay?
Big up Quite Perry, big up Quite Perry, big up Katy Perry. You are indeed a great influencer. Big up yourself one more time. Let's get back to the list. So we have Kim's Life.
Well, my babies, if you're new to my channel, my name is Kim. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Like, duh.
Alright guys, so this is Kim's Life intro. As I said, bear with me with the clothes and them things there, cause obviously I'm not gonna have everything. So she in a blouse, gray blouse, but it's a one marina, gray marina, and she have on one band, but because I don't know my ear cut and it low, so it not gonna have the same function there just as hers, so me just wrap this around it. You understand? Anyways, I just remember so I have one thumb drive when me use yarns to create like the Jamaican color something. So I say me not have the chain, so I'm gonna use it. You know, you have to improvise. Once I do acting, you have to improvise a lot. Alright, you're not even close to what she have. Anyways, we're ready.
But my babies, if you're new to my channel, my name is Kim. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Like, duh. And please turn on that post notification bell to see more from me. But yes, my babies, this week's shout out goes to, if you want to my next video, please do comment down below. Hashtag Kim Nation to be right up here. Or here. Or here.
Alright, what's up peeps? I don't know what your boy wayshaeofficial today, but when I prank, when I don't see it in the title. Alright, so follow my Instagram at wayshaeofficial.
This week's shout out goes to
these channel and accounts. Alright, yeah. Want a show to comment 5 or 10 times. Screenshot and send me by Instagram or WhatsApp. Alright, boom. Watch now. You see? I tired of me I'm gonna use now so the house. You see me? In our room. See you know from your house, your parents' room. Trouble! Watch now. So me I go get the tire dust put your ground. She a sweep out now, she don't in her bathroom side, you see me? And she soon come there, so me I go set up camera from now. So me I go now to prepare to the tire dust. So hot drops, stay tuned. Ratatata.
One more time.
Alright, what's up peeps? I don't know what your boy wayshaeofficial today. But when another prank, when I don't see it tonight like alright, so follow my Instagram at wayshae. This week shout out goes to these channel and accounts. Alright, yeah. If you want a shout out, comment 5 or 10 times. Screenshot and send me by Instagram or WhatsApp. Alright, boom. Watch now, no? You see? I tired of me I'm gonna use now so the house. You see me? In our room. See you know from your house, your parents' room. Trouble! Watch now. So me I go get the tire dust put your ground. She a sweep out now, she don't in her bathroom side, you see me? And she soon come there, so me I go set up camera from now. So me I go now to prepare to the tire dust. So hot drops, stay tuned. Ratatata.
Alright guys, so now don't see how that go. Me know. Wanna comment down below where I give me a hard time. Like, I couldn't get it, but I never take enough time to study the words and so. But I think I was close enough. So where big up yourself all the way, as I say. All of my people when me are impersonate, big up on yourself and think keep and push out the work and stuff. This is just only fun and entertainment. So big up on yourself again. Alright guys, as I said, big up on yourself once again. It's the end of the video and stay tuned for behind the scenes when I was actually trying to rehearse or get close to the words. As I said, this is just fun and jokes and entertainment. So bear with me, bear with Don B. Alright guys, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to the Don B gang. Yeah. And don't forget to subscribe to my other channel, Mickey Nail with my best friend. So it's me, Don B. Buzzing out.